Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we are testing this beautiful Quickmill Andreja espresso machine. We did a lot of work to this one. We replaced the pump, the thermostat, the OPV valve. We resolved a heat exchanger leak and we tuned the machine up. And so now it's working, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. Nice shot of espresso. Let's go ahead and test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.